Once upon a time, in the enchanted kingdom of Starlight Valley, there lived a kind and curious princess named Lily. She loved exploring the royal gardens, reading books about faraway lands, and most of all, dreaming of meeting a real unicorn. One evening, as Princess Lily gazed at the twinkling stars from her balcony, she saw a soft silver glow deep in the whispering woods. Her heart raced. Could it be a unicorn? Without waking anyone, she tiptoed out of the castle and followed the shimmering light. As she stepped into the woods, the trees seemed to whisper secrets. Suddenly, a beautiful white unicorn with a golden horn and a mane like spun moonlight stepped forward. "Hello, Princess Lily," the unicorn said in a gentle voice. "My name is Stardust. I've been waiting for you." Princess Lily gasped. "You can talk, and you know my name." Stardust nodded. "Only those with the purest hearts can see me. And you, dear princess, have the kindest heart of all." Stardust explained that an evil sorcerer had stolen the magic crystal, which kept the kingdom's dreams alive. Without it, the stars would fade, and no one would ever dream again. "Will you help me save Starlight Valley?" Stardust asked. Without hesitation, Lily climbed onto Stardust's back, and they soared through the night sky, past clouds shaped like dragons, and rivers that sparkled like diamonds. They reached the sorcerer's dark tower, where the crystal was locked inside a cage of shadows. "Only kindness can break the spell," Stardust whispered. Princess Lily took a deep breath and smiled at the sorcerer. "You don't have to be lonely or mean. We can share the magic together." Surprised by her kindness, the sorcerer's heart softened. The shadow cage disappeared, and the magic crystal glowed brighter than ever. With the kingdom's dreams restored, Stardust nuzzled Lily. "You saved us all, brave princess." From that day on, Princess Lily and Stardust had many adventures, flying over rainbows, talking to friendly dragons, and spreading kindness throughout the land. And every night, as Lily looked up at the shining stars, she knew that magic was real, and it lived in the hearts of those who believed.